guys, I'm Mike. I'm the Technology and Traffic School Director at All Florida Safety. I wanted to thank you for taking the time to complete this driver's education course. And I wanted to remind you that if you don't have your permit yet, you can take your permit test online or in one of our offices, as well as the 4-hour drug and alcohol course that are necessary to get your license. Once you have your permit, don't forget about our behind the wheel lessons that are a great supplement to everything that you just learned in this course. And once you have your license, or when you're getting ready to get your license, we have awesome staff at all of our locations that can conduct your road tests so that you can skip the headache at the DMV. Going past that, when you have your license, should you guys ever forget the skills that you learned in this course, you find yourself with a ticket, we do offer the 4-hour basic, the 8-hour intermediate, and the 12-hour advanced driver improvement programs. And if you guys ever have a need to want to learn stick shift, we have some of the best instructors that you can ask for. Thanks again for taking our digital driver's ed course, and we hope to see you soon.
All right, so we are going to be focusing on angle parking. An angle parking lot, you are forced to go one direction, whereas with the straight-in parking, it's two-way traffic. So you're going to see our driver approaching the parking space. He's in the middle. He's going to be parking between two cars with slow car, quick hands, with his foot on the brake the whole time. So he's going to signal. He gets in his arc and he puts the car in between the two cars, because it's actually easier to park between two cars than it is to park by yourself. He used the middle of the parking space to line himself up with the middle of that car, and he's spot on. That is angled parking. All right, so now we're going to give you the view from inside the parking space. Our driver has already created his arc. He has his turn signal on, and you'll see his wheels start turning once his eyes identify the middle of the parking space, which would be the orange cone that you see right in the middle here. If it weren't an orange cone, it could be a Ford emblem or a Chevy emblem or anything in front of the car that is parked facing the space that you're going to be parking in. So our driver is going to be coming into the space. He's going to use slow car, quick hands, there the wheels go, and he will never use the gas while doing this. His foot is always on the brake. And he's going to put the middle of his car, boom, right on the middle of this car. So that is parking, slow car, quick hands, using the middle and making sure that you have a nice big arc. Again, always keep your foot on the brake while doing this maneuver. Never give the car gas while attempting to park. So now Mike is going to be going straight with the stop. He will not have the right of way because he has a stop sign. So does Area 1. We're going to see him stop even with the stop sign behind the white line. He's next going to fill up dead space straight ahead this time. He's not going to hug the grass. Once he fills up dead space, that will trigger his counting to see if he can make it or not. Let's see what he does here. 1, 2, 3. And he peaks. And there is straight with a stop.